We are a manufacturer of electrical cars. One of them is the e.Go Life. The e.Go Life is tailored for urban usage and for commuter transportation. So that's where the market is, that's how we differentiate. We make a car that's very affordable for the masses. It needs to be a lot of fun to drive. It needs to be practical for daily usage because we want to support commuter drives. Digitalization is really instrumental for the success of our company. First of all, because it supports agile product development. We have an affordable product. That means margins are low. So if we want to include innovations, we need to be able, right from the start, to understand what impact does it have downstream on production, on service, and so on, before we include any change into our car. Partners like HPE and PTC are really extremely important for us. We have the knowledge about the processes, and they bring in the IT technology that is required to make this happen.
We have a fully integrated flow of information through the entire line and back to engineering, back to specification, back to the entire digital thread. We have a time for 10 minutes at every single station, and the last performance check and quality check has to come down to 10 minutes, and that is what we have achieved, to bring it down from 45 minutes to 10 minutes.
So the quality engineers, they are supported by having an app that they can use very, very easily and intuitive. And moreover, we provide them with the capability of automatically detect the issues they previously had to report manually. So the contribution of Relimetrics is to provide the video analytics application that enables us to detect quality issues. We push the information of the detected issues right in the augmented reality solution of PTC. HPE helps e.Go to establish an enterprise IT for manufacturing being able to scale as e.Go grows. What's really great about e.Go is that we can contribute and we can take part in the electromobility revolution.